Hey, do you think this guy was glad he had a dash camera? Or how about this guy? Now, having a dash camera is great, but packaging it with a 9.3-inch multimedia screen is kind of genius, especially if you have a car that doesn't have a screen. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now, I had a lot of fun playing with this new Podofo 83073 portable player. Then we're going to go and take it for a drive and see all the functions this dude has. And remember, it's compatible with Android Auto and Apple Carplay.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. What we get. Now you get this screen with these screen protectors you can pull off. Nice 9.3. It feels heavy. Nice venting on it. And feels real good. The camera actually adjusts up, down, left, and right to help you set it up in your car so you make sure you get the best picture. Up on top is your on-off button. And it has this little stand on it that does adjust up and down and back and forth. Okay, next is your connections is your USB-C, your AV-in, which is your back rear camera. It has a 64 gigabyte that they give you SD card and an auxiliary that you plug it into your car stereo if you need to. Now it comes with this backup or back camera to record backwards at the same time. It has a little sticky here, or you can actually use the screws. I don't know if you want to screw it in like that, but the Stickum works pretty good, especially for something like this. And this is a weather resistant camera. And they even give you the cabling to go all the way from the head unit, which you plug in like that in the AV slot. And that will run all the way back to the back camera where you just plug it in there. So you use this plug-in to get your camera info, but the red one is what you're going to hook up to like a backup light or, a power source. Next up is the actual component cable that you're going to go from that to your radio so you can use your speakers on your car, or you just unplug it, leave it unplugged, and it has speakers in it. Not as good as your car probably, but it's nice for them to give you that. Now the power cable is just goes into your car lighter. Like I said, you can use a USB if you have the same voltage, and that just plugs right into the top on your USB-C, and that's what powers it up. It's really nice and easy hookup, pretty direct. I mean, you're gonna like this thing. But there you go. That's what it comes with. Oh, also it does come with the stickums for the stand for the main unit, the head unit, and it gives you two of them. But make sure where you're gonna put it before you stick it. Now here's a great manual. I love that they did this, all full color. It shows you everything you're going to need to know to get this thing up and running in a heartbeat.
You have Apple CarPlay, you have Android Auto, you have the DVR, which is actually working right now. Stop recording. As soon as you turn it on, it will start recording, by the way. So we go back to home and we have playback of what was just played. Then you have audio output, which you can actually plug it in and it'll go through your car stereo. Then you can swipe left and you have Apple AirPlay, Android Cast,
Bluetooth music, and Wi-Fi video. Now this can't be done when you're hooked up to CarPlay or your Android Auto. That's your reverse line calibration right here if you have the backup camera. That way you can adjust it to where you need it so you won't hit anything backing up. It's kind of nice to have. You have time-lapse video here, a screensaver, you have voice control, and driving position. You can change your language, definitely set your date and time for your area, because if you do get in an accident, this is actual proof for you and what time it happened and so forth. And then you have firmware version and you can factory reset. So you can go and do playback, or you can actually go like Bluetooth music. Now, okay, so that is coming out of the speaker on this. Okay, now what I'm doing is I have XM radio, and I just play it, Bluetooth it onto whatever I'm driving. So now you can go Android Auto. So this is how you can, if you don't know how to set up Android Auto or CarPlay, it'll have this menu up here for you that you can go through and set it up. Real simple to do. It'll automatically connect with your CarPlay or your Android Auto if you have them synced and turned on. This is your Google Maps, driving directions and so forth. You can make a call, go in, my wife. So yeah, if you want to click on news or anything like that, you can do that there. This will give you 2 screens on this one. Then you have all your information for your phone, games, snacks, voice, weather. So it has it all sitting right there for you. But yeah, there's a lot of things on here that is really kind of cool that you're gonna like to use. But let's go ahead and let's get back out of this and let's talk about it. Okay guys, who is this for? I would say it's for anybody who doesn't have a dash cam. Dash cams are really, something that you set and forget, and every time you get in, it turns on and so forth. You never really have to take anything out, the SD card or anything like that. So it keeps rewriting itself. If nothing happens, great. If it does happen, it's on here, it's ready to go, and it always keeps recording. You can also, like I said, use this as a backup camera. If you don't have one already. This is great for RVs too. So now I like this product, and this company is well known for these, and they're well known for, the stereos and so forth that go into cars, touchscreen stereos and all that. So the stuff really works great. Has, like I said, it feels nice and solid, nothing rattling, lots of vent holes. You can get it pretty much the same cost as a standard dash cam without the screen and all that. You can't just set it on your dash with this, though. You got to go ahead and use Stickum, which they give you. Otherwise, this head will fall. So, hey guys, if I brought you some value with this, please hit that thumbs up for me. I'd appreciate it. And please go ahead and subscribe. Remember, we have giveaways going on, and you need to be subscribed to win any of it. If you're not sure what giveaway is going on right now, it's this one right here. Hey guys, you're really going to like this giveaway. It's for your phone. It actually is a gimbal that will keep your phone nice and level, but the neat thing about this, it's AI driven. That's right, artificial intelligence. It's a sports gimbal. It'll follow your sports everywhere. You can take it down to your kids' basketball games, soccer games, football games, and more. Okay, you're gonna like this thing, and we're giving it away for free. Yay! And we even pay the shipping. And I appreciate your support, everyone. I can't thank you enough. This is the way I'm trying to thank you. So if you're not subscribed, now would be a good time to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It's gonna tell you when another video comes out, or a giveaway, or a winner of a giveaway. So you might wanna do that, and remember, always like and share the videos. Hey, you can also watch this video here. Also, this one here is really good too. So give it a look, see what you think. Till next time, everybody, I appreciate you being here. We'll see ya.